from VTech with another short video, and in today's video we're going to do a factory reset to innotab Max Kids Learning tablet. Easy and straightforward process. As you can see on screen, the first thing we have to do is to shut down the tablet by holding the power button, and once it's completely shut down, then we have to hold the left key and the top key at the same time with a question mark, which is just on top of the toggle button, and also we have to press the power button at the same time. So as you can see on the screen, the left button and the top button plus the question mark and then the power button with the same combination at the same time. And as soon as you see the VTech logo, just release these button combinations and then press the left and the top button with question mark, and you'll see reset screen, and from there you can reset your tablet. So this is that easy, guys. You can reset the tablet, and it will take some time before the reset process is complete. So just keep patience, and I hope you have liked the video. If you have any comments or feedback, don't forget to leave in the comments section below. See you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Good day. Bye bye.